What's up, jailbreakers? Today we're going to be taking a look at Cydia Eraser. Cydia Eraser lets you restore your device back to a stock firmware on iOS 7.1 to 10.33. Let's take a look. So Cydia Eraser, like I was saying, allows you to remove your jailbreak and restore your device back to a stock factory firmware. This is something that a lot of people want because you can sell the device, or you could just start out fresh. Maybe you feel like your device is just not functioning the way it should be. There's some bad jailbreak tweaks, or you're just not sure what's going on and you want to go back to that stock state. One of the reasons I'm making this video is because Future Restore, the tool that we've been using to restore our devices, is no longer working. So this is an alternative. It's not for iOS 11, but I will post a video for iOS 11 later on. This tool may get updated for iOS 11 later on, so you grab this tool in Cydia, you install it just like you would a regular jailbreak tweak. So you can see there it appears on your home screen. Make sure that you've removed all of your Cydia tweaks one by one if you can. It's really important that you try to remove most of it manually instead of just leaving it up to Cydia Eraser. As well as sign out of your iCloud account, turn off the Find My iPhone feature before you begin. It just makes things easier, and just in case something might fail. To begin the process, you open Cydia Eraser. Now remember, this will destroy all your data. So if you have any pictures or anything that's important to you, make sure that you back this up before you begin. So let's start the restore process. You start the process by clicking the Erase All Data and Unjailbreak Device. Then hit Confirm. This will take about 10 minutes. Maybe 15, so allow your device to sit in a good Wi-Fi zone, plugged in, and you should be good to go. We'll come back when the process is finished. Alright, so we're just finishing up the process now, and I'm just going to quickly skip through all of this so you guys don't have to wait here. And you can see that I've restored back to 10.2, which this device was on 10.2. So it does suck that unfortunately we can't restore using blobs right now. That can change in the future. Make sure that you're always grabbing your SSH blobs. But for now, at least for iOS 10 devices, if you miss the window to jump to iOS 11, At least you can do a full restore this way if you're maybe wanting to sell your device or if you just want to start out fresh. I hope this video helped you guys out. Make sure you stay away from the latest iOS updates if you want a jailbreak. That is always key. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you again next time. Cheers.